In front of me is Realme 16 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for Remove Widget pop-up to show. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in this one by hitting Remove. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you would ever wanna restore it though, I will show you how to do that too. Hold your display until you see all of those options at the bottom and select Widgets at the bottom left corner. Now, you need to scroll until you see Google App. And once you do, tap on Search Bar widget. Then hold it, move it, place it wherever you want to, and let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!